quick garbage disposal replacement in under a minute. This was a DIY project gone wrong. Most garbage disposals are pretty easy. I actually got this done within about 30 to 45 minutes. Me personally, I hate plumbing, but I will do this for select clientele. This client went with the newer garbage disposal. I did have to pull out the instructions close to the end to see how the wiring hooked up. I always get nervous that the piping won't line up the same, and that just means a store run, which just makes the job even longer. But this one worked out perfectly. And just my luck, once I got everything hooked back up and did a water test, of course. It wasn't nothing too crazy. I just needed to tighten the fitting and we good to go. Easy.